Coronation Street, sponsored by Harvey's The Furniture Store, bringing your home to life.
JackpotJoy.com are proud to announce the coronation of the Queen of Bingo. Eyes down for Her Majesty, Bingo Queen's the march.
Welcome to Jackpot Joy. Deposit £10 and get £30 to play.
My queen has spoiled your subjects rotten.
Sainsbury's offers value where it matters, and with 842 half-price products from us, that could be a half-price family shop for you.
The Debenhams new season launch. All the latest designs with up to 25% off in all departments. Open till 8 p.m. today, ends tomorrow.
Transform your hair with new look Nice and Easy. A blend of rich tones and highlights, salon inspired to give multi-tonal colour. A small change to your hair makes a big change to your head. Nice and Easy. Be a shade braver.
Ross, Cobbs, Si, T-Mobile Gaming Night In, Thursday the 15th, our place.
Who would you invite? Get everything you need for the perfect T-Mobile night in with 5 things for £5 from Blockbuster.
At Wix, we know that when a job's got your name on it, your time is valuable. You want to be working, not shopping. That's why we offer next-day delivery on thousands of products. Just order by phone, online, or in store before 6 p.m. and we'll deliver the next day. From the small, right up to the big, bulky stuff. Next-day delivery. It's got our name on it. Wix.
Starting in this weekend's Daily Mirror and Sunday Mirror, get free James Martin recipe cards. With 7 to collect, get your first inside Saturday's Daily Mirror and